This is my code for the chatbot, and I have the token which corresponds to my chatbot named crypto data tops. So I use a cryptocurrency API which is from CoinGecko. It will fetch us the USD price of that current Bitcoin or corresponding crypto coins. So when I give the start command, it will execute this all messages. So welcome to Crypto Hub. These all messages will be shown in the chatbot. Same with the same command, it will shows the keyboards which are useful to give the commands easily. So bot dot on text. When I give the slash Bitcoin command, this bot will be executed and it goes inside as a arrow function with the parameter message mg. Mg is a message, this is a parameter of this function. Mg chat id gives this coin name Bitcoin. It will be shown in the chatbot, so it will be displayed as a coin name Bitcoin. After that, it requests the API URL to give the current the required data. So the required data for me is the USD price of Bitcoin. So this URL will retrieve the data of Bitcoin USD. Same, it has a function parameters response and body. I have changed the body response of the body into the object file using json.parse. By using this, we can convert this body into an object format. By converting it to object format, we can retrieve the data from that object format. So JSON is nothing but JavaScript object notation. So now I give the command slash Ethereum. It executes same like Bitcoin. It retrieves the data from that URL of Ethereum. The current price of the Ethereum will be shown. Same it goes to Binance, Dogecoin, Tether, Dash and Cardano. This all shows the top 7 cryptocurrency USD prices of this each crypto coins. Now it comes to Tether, it retrieves the data of Tether coin in USD dollars. So request parameter, we give this URL and function. So after it executes, a message will be sent to the chatbot in this format USD, and the price of the USD will be given. By using json.parse, we can convert it into a object notation. So now let's execute this code and check the chatbot. So the bot is running now. Let's see. Now my chatbot name is Crypto Data Tops. Okay. Now let's start it by giving the start command. So see, it gives welcome to Crypto Hub. These are the top 7 cryptocurrencies in the market. Give the message in this format. We have to give the message in this format only. These are the keyboards. We can type here. So Bitcoin, the coin name is Bitcoin and USD value is 27877 USD dollars. Or I can give here Ethereum, Binance coin, Dogecoin, Tether, Dash, Cardano. In this way, I retrieve all the top 7 coins data of USD values. Thank you.